Hello everyone, my name is Chris Wilkie. I want to welcome you to the Scheidler laundry room and mail area. This is one of two areas where we have our mail banks. What they look like are these nice metal boxes that you can go up to, and there's a key with them. You'll just simply turn them and they'll be good to go. You'll have an assigned one to grab your mail. We're also at the laundry facility, so we're going to take a look inside and show you what you have inside the laundry facility. Doors, when you open them, are kind of automatic, so you do have to wait a few seconds. Nice, lovely new mats to welcome you in because of All State We Fly. New flooring as well. We just finished that up within the laundry facility. And this one's going to be quick and easy. We have some vending machines over there, some restroom units, a television, some seating area, some reading material, a bulletin board. You see some posters there, and we have change machines. So something important to know about our laundry facilities: there are two different ways you can pay for them. Number one, you can use Cardinal Cash. So what you do is you take your ID card, you would swipe it through, you would select what machine you're in, and you would actually pay off your Cardinal Cash that you have loaded on here. We highly recommend that because then you don't have to use quarters, which is the other way to do it. So you get a buck, you can throw $1, $5 in, you get change out, and you place those right into the machines. It's $1.50 per wash, and I believe $1.25 per dry. And you should look here, we have lots of different units. So it looks like I'm up to 10 over here. Roughly about 24 washers and give or take 24 dryers. I may be a little off on that. You have folding tables, picnic table area. You have some carts. You have space you can put your hampers. You have some help in case you don't know how to get some stains out of anything. You have a sink you can wash items in. These take two kinds of detergent, or three I guess. You can throw in your powder detergent if you like that. The liquid detergent, you can throw that in. Tide Pods, or those little pod things, are a lot easier. You just toss those straight in. You don't have to worry about lugging anything else around. We recommend dryer sheets for the dryer, but that's completely up to you.